Hello all, welcome to Yosua.com test automation tutorials. Today we are going to learn about hardware and software requirements of Selenium. Hardware requirements. Selenium supports Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. So you need Windows or Mac or Linux desktop or laptop to develop and execute your Selenium scripts. Software requirements. There are four software components required for Java Selenium scripting. The first one is JDK, Java Development Kit. You need JDK to develop and run Java programs. Second one is Java Editor. You need editors like Eclipse or intellij to develop or edit Java programs. Third one is Selenium jar files. It's a Java client library. We need Java Selenium jar files in order to automate web applications. The fourth one is drivers. If you wanted to execute your script on Chrome, then you need Chrome driver. If you wanted to execute your script on Internet Explorer, you need Internet Explorer driver. And the fourth one is browser. If you wanted to execute your script in browser, you need Chrome browser. You can download it from the website. This is the Selenium WebDriver architecture. When you execute your script on editor, it will invoke the Selenium client library. The Selenium client library, it will invoke or it will send a command to browser driver or Chrome driver, and then the Chrome driver it will send commands to Chrome browser, and Chrome browser it will send response back to Chrome driver, and Chrome driver sends response back to Selenium client library using JSON wire protocol or HTTP protocol. Now I'm going to show the Selenium software requirement setup on Windows machine. First we have to check whether we have Java in this machine. So go to command prompt, type Java hyphen version. When you hit enter, if it is returning Java version, then which means you have Java in your machine. If it is returning something like Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means you don't have Java in your machine. So you have to download JDK and you have to install it. Yeah, go to my website and go to software requirements, and yeah, open it in new tab. I need Java 8, so click download, scroll down, and here you can find operating system Windows, and you can select it whether 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit OS, so I will download this one. You have to log in with your Oracle username and password to download. Save. It's downloaded. Yeah, open folder and just double click it. Click yes and click next. Click next. It is installing Java on your machine. Click next. So we have installed Java successfully. Now you can verify it by typing java-version in command prompt. So it is returning Java version that we have installed, which means this machine has Java. So now we have to download Eclipse or any other IDE. So I will download Eclipse. Yeah, I will download Eclipse IDE for the developers. So 64-bit, download it, save. You just need to extract it. You need to right click and you need to click extract all. Yeah, it is installed. Just open Eclipse folder and click Eclipse icon. So you don't need to do anything, just click launch. Yeah, so we have downloaded Eclipse. Now we have to download the Selenium server standalone. Go to seleniumhq.org and just download the latest Selenium server standalone from Selenium website. Save it in your local machine. Also we have to download Chrome driver in order to execute automation script in Chrome browser. So scroll down and click Chrome driver. And yeah, download this. Save it in your drive. So we have everything except Chrome browser. Let's download Chrome. So we have installed JDK, Eclipse, Selenium server standalone, and we downloaded driver as well, and also we downloaded Chrome browser. So we have all the software requirement in this Windows machine. So let's create quick Java project and import the jar file that we have downloaded into the new Java project. let's create new class. And just check whether everything is working fine or not by running this sample program. We have everything. If I run this program, it should print hello world. So we have everything in our machine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues.